Hello everyone, and welcome to Early Moves video. My name is Haley. Thank you for joining us today. Our main goal of this video is for you to have fun with your little one while stimulating them at every stage of development. Try to include this video as part of your baby's routine, so exercise becomes a habit at a very early age. It is always important to consult your pediatrician before engaging your baby in any new activity. As soon as you have your physician's approval, choose a location where you can watch and perform the exercises on this video. We strongly recommend that you do these exercises on a foam mat on ground level for your baby's safety. It is also important to find perfect time for this video so you and your baby are able to enjoy it. Gently lay your baby on his back. Place the palm of your hands on the top of your baby's feet, adding some pressure. The goal is that your baby pushes back. Repeat this exercise a few times. Carefully place your baby on his back and roll him over so he is laying on his tummy. Grab your baby from his pelvis and lift him up. The goal of this exercise is that your baby straightens his arms as you lift him up. This exercise needs more frequency than duration, so you can make quick, controlled movements. Now, sit down and straighten your legs. Put an object on the opposite side of your baby. The goal of this exercise is that your baby crawls over your legs to get the toy. Awesome job, baby! Hold your baby in a standing position, facing you, and bounce him up and down. Slow down until you come to a complete stop. Laying on your back, bend your knees and place your baby on top of your legs. Hold his arms and move your legs up and down so he moves his legs as well. See how much fun your baby is having? Sit down and place your hands under your baby's arms and lift him above your head. Carefully place him down and repeat. Be sure to make eye contact with your baby. The purpose of this exercise is that your baby raises his head and makes eye contact back with you. Kiss your baby. He did an excellent job. With your baby sitting down, place your hands under his arms and rock your baby from side to side. Now, bring him to a complete stop. For this exercise, we are going to place our baby's favorite toy in front of him. Far enough so that our baby has to crawl in order to get it. Great job! Now that your baby has gotten the toy, repeat the exercise, but make sure this time the distance between the baby and the toy is even greater. Hug and kiss your baby. He did a great job crawling. Sit down in front of your baby and start clapping. So he starts clapping with you. If your baby needs help, grasp his hands and gently start clapping together. Now let's get ready to play peekaboo. Cover your face and call your baby's name. The purpose of this exercise is that your baby uncovers your face and makes eye contact. Sit with your legs crossed and place your baby sitting on your lap, facing the front. Hold your child's hands and cross his arms over his chest and cuddle. Slowly stretch both of your child's arms above his head and repeat. First, left over right arm and then right over left. Encourage your baby to crawl on different textures. It is important that you stimulate your baby's senses. This will help in your baby's development. Give your baby a big hug and let him know what a great job he's doing. While holding your baby, swing her from side to side. Hold your baby close so she feels secure and enjoys this bonding time with you. Now, let's change the direction and swing your baby up and down. Slow down until you come to a complete stop.